How to use chia seeds in your daily diet: 3 easy recipes. Recipe number 1: Overnight Oats. 3 tablespoons oats, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, half a teaspoon cocoa, half a teaspoon cinnamon or ginger powder, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, 1 cup almond or coconut milk. Mix all the ingredients, and put them in the refrigerator overnight, then transfer into a small bowl and add fresh fruit or nuts. Enjoy for breakfast. Recipe number 2: Chia lemon water. 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Mix a glass of water and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add chia seeds and leave to gel for 30 minutes to an hour. Drink on an empty stomach to detox. Recipe number 3: Egg replacement for baking. To use chia seeds as an egg replacement: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 3 tablespoons water. Mix and leave for 30 minutes to form a gel. Use as desired in your baking. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe,